Hello, homestay operators. Let's dive right in. Now let's see how I keep the kitchen beautifully and especially clean. To clean the dishes and other parts of the kitchen, you need to have appropriate cleaners, soap, sponges, and cloths nearby. First, I wash the dishes and utensils that I use for cooking and eating. In the kitchen, I keep one dustbin for food waste and the other for discarded items. Later, I will sort different types of waste separately. Next, after removing the cobwebs, I clean the stove. The stove needs to be thoroughly wiped to remove oil and smoke stains. Similarly, the kitchen floor should also be cleaned properly. I keep the gas tank outside, so there's no need to worry about working near the stove. The kitchen is a place with oil, food residue, and stains. That's why I never hesitate to clean the tiles and electric appliances regularly. Additionally, I thoroughly clean pantry cupboards, glassware, knives, and used utensils. Before leaving, I ensure everything is properly washed and placed in the relevant place. Another important area in the kitchen is the fridge. I make sure to clean the fridge every 2 weeks because we store food there and it's crucial to keep it safe. I'm very careful with food handling because guests trust its safety. When storing items like vegetables, meat, and fish in the fridge, I pack them separately from cooked food. I usually store cooked food in the fridge with a closed lid, using rubber lids, plastic wrap, or other covering materials. It's normal for a lot of guests coming to Sri Lanka from abroad to expect a microwave. Cleaning the microwave is very important since it is used to heat food, and food residue can often cause organisms like fungi and bacteria to grow. When everything is done, I'll wash the sink. I use cleaners and, after finishing everything, I clean my hands thoroughly. Look at the beauty of my kitchen right now, clean, orderly, safe. Thanks for having me.